OpenAI's chief executive, Sam Altman, launched an ambitious project that seeks to revolutionize the crypto industry. This bold new venture is known as the Worldcoin crypto project. This news was met with much anticipation as the launch was announced on a Monday. What sets the Worldcoin project apart is its reliance on a distinctive form of user verification, an eye scan. This sophisticated identification measure allows the system to ensure the uniqueness of each user's identity, a feature not commonly seen in other cryptocurrencies. The timing of Worldcoin's arrival is quite significant. The cryptocurrency industry has been going through a turbulent phase, marked by the dramatic collapse of FTX and a number of legal challenges against the leading figures of the sector. The launch of Worldcoin might well serve as a catalyst that could change the current dynamics of the industry. The news of the project's initiation was released through a statement on the Worldcoin website. The Worldcoin Foundation today announced that Worldcoin, a project co-founded by Sam Altman, Alex Blania, and Max Novenstern, is now live, the statement declared, setting the wheels in motion for this intriguing venture. One of the defining aspects of Worldcoin is its mechanism for providing users with a private digital identity, which it calls the World ID. To acquire this, users need to register in person with an orb, a highly advanced imaging device. The orb scans the iris of each user's eye, capitalizing on the uniqueness of each individual's iris pattern. The creation of the World ID seeks to address a major issue that plagues the crypto industry, the use of pseudonyms. With the absence of genuine identities, the industry becomes susceptible to spam bots and scams, a problem that the World ID aims to resolve. In addition to unveiling the Worldcoin project, the company also launched its own cryptocurrency, the Worldcoin token. The statement revealed that this new cryptocurrency is now available to the millions of users who participated in the early testing phases and can be traded in certain locations and platforms. The vision behind Worldcoin is monumental. It strives to build the world's largest identity and financial public network. As articulated on its website, the success of Worldcoin could have profound implications. In a letter posted on Twitter, which is undergoing a name change to X, Altman and Blania express their optimism and the transformative potential of Worldcoin. The duo wrote, "If successful, we believe Worldcoin could drastically increase economic opportunity, scale a reliable solution for distinguishing humans from AI online while preserving privacy, enable global democratic processes, and eventually show a potential path to AI-funded universal basic income." The journey to realizing Worldcoin was neither short nor easy. It took the company 3 years of careful and dedicated effort to bring the project to life. During its beta testing phase, an impressive 2 million people registered for a World ID, signaling the immense interest and anticipation for this project. In an effort to reach an even wider audience, Worldcoin is distributing 1,500 orbs in locations all around the globe. This will allow millions more individuals the opportunity to register and become part of this visionary project. Commenting on the ambitious nature of the project, Altman took to Twitter, writing, "Like any really ambitious project, maybe it works out and maybe it doesn't, but trying stuff like this is how progress happens." His sentiment is echoed by his co-founder, Blania, who also exhibits a similar cautious optimism. Blania remarks, "This is the beginning of a long journey. Especially early on, things will not be perfect." The trading of Worldcoin, however, faces certain limitations. Notably, Worldcoin is not available for trade in the United States. This is due to regulatory restrictions, underlining the increased caution that regulators are showing towards the crypto sector, despite the country's significant enthusiasm for cryptocurrencies. Despite these limitations, Worldcoin made an impressive debut, surging to a high of $3.58 from an initial price of $1.70, before falling back to $2.28 according to CoinMarketCap. This dramatic entry to the market underscores the potential of Worldcoin and the eagerness with which it has been received by the crypto community.